This video is from TRE57 Productions. It's about fake utility workers, and let me play it for you, and I also did some research on it, which I'll add to another video.
Alright y'all, so what I'm going to do is walk on this corner, right, and show y'all this wannabe Verizon truck that's been sitting here going on 2 months now. Okay, no work being done. They just set the cones down and play like he working. And another funny thing about this, y'all, is the fact that the guy doesn't even live here. I can see if he lived here. And even if you live here, you still do not have to set the cones out. Somebody might say, well, he only set the cones down because he's parking on a corner. No, he does not live there. But yet he parks the truck there. Giving y'all a shot of the area. You see that? Dude right there. This is not a real Verizon truck. Just letting y'all know that. Not only that, it don't even have a number on it. It just has the height, 10 foot and 18 inches, and the cones are set there. This is a fraudulent truck, y'all. Beware. They out here watching us. Yep, they watching us. They keeping tabs on us, y'all. I'm telling y'all. I ain't afraid to get out here and get the footage, but anyway, there you go. See that truck? Holla at your boy.
Okay, so I made a video, I investigated on it, and I'm going to attach it to this one. Okay, so this is a real Verizon truck in this picture. And if you look at it closely, okay, these are their trucks. Now, I took a picture from Trey's video, and it is not like this truck. So let me know what you think. These trucks are easily rented, which I'm going to show you. That's what it looks like a little bit far away. And the truck, this is the truck parked outside in Trey's video, and you can see the difference. There's a better picture. Also, if they're doing service, they have to have some type of sign out, like a regular work, construction work, what they're doing. Installation sign is what it's called, that they're doing installation work on somebody's house for service. So this is what it looks like. And I'm also going to show you the let's see when I get there. These are just pictures that I took from the video. Okay? There's no sign outside of it. There needs to be a sign out that they are doing work presently. So I took those pictures from the video. Okay? This truck is a real Verizon truck. Now, these trucks are for sale and for rent. This is the real one. took a bunch of pictures. So I'm going to show you how they rent them. And you can buy them. I took a lot of screenshots because I wanted to show that was my investigation. I actually started with the logo on top of the truck, the Verizon truck that's parked outside in Trey's video, with the ATEC logo on Verizon trucks, and it led me to where I'm at. Now this truck is the one, an F350 for sale Ford 350 bucket truck. Yes, Verizon uses bucket trucks, but this one here has nothing on it. Nothing on it. And they're for rent and for sale. So this is a fraudulent truck parked outside. That's my investigation, that's my opinion, and that is what I believe it is. So this is the truck that is parked outside in the video, Trey's video. And the real one, see, it's this one parked outside. Okay, they have to legally have some type of sign outside on the pavement next to the truck that they're installing. This is a Verizon truck. See the difference? So yes, people, please beware. Okay, so while doing more research and a very lengthy, long article from a customer, and this was back in 2005, this here is, this paragraph got me that I wanted to show to you, Trey. So this truck, Verizon truck, the one that you have in the video, okay, he states, here is a picture of the truck, the sign he put up while working, just like the painters and roofers, etc. Marketing is an important component here, as Verizon competes with the cable companies. We have Comcast, blah blah blah, and tries to sign up customers, blah blah blah. Okay, so when this truck is parked outside on that street, where are there signs stating Verizon fiber optic installed here? There has to be a sign out by that truck, and them visibly with the box picture to the right, the third one of their equipment. So if they don't have a sign out, then yes, what are they doing? And there's a video that I put in my other video about this Verizon, related to the Verizon truck and the service. So I just wanted to point out that when they're doing service, although yes, anybody can get these type of, they're called bucket trucks. I also looked that up. They can be bought or rented. So where is their sign outside of the truck or the house that they're supposedly working on?